you can do Google searches without using the AI. If you go on a website called at UDM equals 14, and then when you go on here, whatever you look up, like if I type in how to bake a cake, whatever you look up on this website, it will automatically add at UDM equals 14 to the end. So then when you click it, it just opens it up in the web search tab instead of the alt tab, which gives you the AI stuff. And you can just switch out whenever you want. If you want to use AI mode for some reason, you can just click there. But you can also make this your default search engine. If you go in the settings of whatever browser you use, this is Brave, but it should be the exact same thing for any browser. You go to your settings, you go to your search engine section, manage search engines, and then you go to UDM 14 and you make it your default. So now every time you look something up, like how to make a cookie, it just searches it on UDM instead. Thanks for watching.